MAC HVAC Service and Repair in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania provides residential and commercial customers with heating and air conditioning repair, installation, and maintenance services. We also service furnaces, air handlers, air purifiers, humidifiers, thermostats, and ductless air conditioners. We offer free installation quotes on all brands of heating and cooling systems, including Lennox, Carrier, Trane, Goodman, and others, as a local family-owned and run HVAC contractor. Call our 24-hour HVAC repair service for immediate assistance. Are you looking for a furnace repair near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair. What are the different types of furnaces? Furnaces are classified into 4 categories: natural gas, oil, electric, and propane. While electric furnaces may heat the air directly via the exposure of heated components, other kinds of furnaces often need a heat exchanger or chamber to warm the surrounding air. Is a boiler and furnace the same thing? There is a significant difference between boiler and furnace heat. To put it simply, a boiler heats your house using hot water or steam generated by hot water, while a furnace heats your home with warm air. What is your service area for the Philadelphia, Pennsylvania service office? Our local furnace repair services have served Philadelphia, Carroll Park, Haverford North, Spruce Hill, Mantua, West Passyunk, Point Breeze, Newbold, Dickinson Narrows, Hawthrone, Queen Village, Yorktown, East Kensington, West Kensington, FairHill, Port Richmond, Powelton Village, Brewerytown, Kensington, Nicetown-Tioga, Pennsylvania. Where is your Philadelphia, Pennsylvania furnace repair service office located? We are located at 7708 City Avenue number 206, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania 19151. Our phone number is 610-424-6277. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/city-f-philadelphia-hvac-service.